Welcome to Business Insights with LearnAccountingFast.com. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between markup and margin and how to use them to create the most profit in your business. So, let's dive right in. First, let's define markup and margin. They are both financial metrics used in business, but they represent different aspects of pricing and profit calculations. Markup. Markup is used to determine the selling price of a product. It's important to set a markup that will allow you to cover your costs and make a profit. To calculate the selling price using markup, you simply add a fixed percentage to the cost price. For example, if a product costs you $10 to make and you markup it by 50%, you would sell it for $15. Markup Formula. The markup formula is straightforward. Selling price equals cost price plus the cost price multiplied by the markup percentage. Margin. Margin is used to measure the profitability of a product or service. A higher margin means that you're making more money on each sale. Calculating margin requires a slightly different formula. Margin is equal to the profit divided by the selling price multiplied by 100 to express it as a percentage. The difference, margin to markup. Markup is based on the cost of the product. Margin is based on the selling price. This fundamental distinction affects how you set prices and manage profitability. Markup. You're adding a fixed percentage to your costs, which means your profit will vary based on changes in the cost of goods or services. Margin. With margin, you're calculating profit as a percentage of the selling price. This allows you to maintain a consistent profit margin, regardless of cost fluctuations. Which is better in business, margin or markup? It depends. If you're trying to sell a product quickly, you may want to use a higher markup. This will give you a higher profit on each sale, but it may also make your product less competitive. If you're trying to build a long-term business, you may want to use a lower markup. This will make your product more competitive, and it will help you attract more customers. For businesses aiming to maximize profit and maintain consistency in their profitability, margin is the preferred choice. It provides a clearer picture of your business's financial health and enables better decision-making. Tips for using markup and margin to create the most profit. Set a competitive selling price. Keep your cost of goods sold low. Increase your profit margin. The best way to determine the best markup or margin for your business is to do some research and experiment. Track your sales and costs and see what works best for you. Remember, understanding your pricing strategies and profit calculations is crucial for long-term success. Stay tuned for more insightful videos from LearnAccountingFast.com. Thanks for watching to the end. Let me know if there is anything else you would like to see.